Welcome to the laboratory. I'm Zach Leber, and it has been a minute since I've made any type of content for social media whatsoever. So I figured I'd show you tonight that I'm going to cut down a 4x8 sheet of 3/16 thick steel into a bunch of different parts that I have to have for the shop, Scott rods, and a couple of different jobs that I have going on and stuff right at the moment as well. So let's get started. I have the cut file ready to go. And it's going to take, I think it was like 57 minutes to cut the whole thing. So I'm going to get that running, and then I have some other stuff I got to work on over there. There's always work to do. Since it's been a while, I figure I'd kind of go back through how the system works. Program, software, whatever you want to call it, running right there. It's going to tell the little computer down there where to move that guy right there. And we're going to start down in this corner and basically just work over and back. Now, before I get cutting, I need to make sure that it is going to stay inside of the steel and not dump any of the parts on the outside and completely trash this entire file, which would suck, and the sheet of steel is pretty pricey. So it's going to go around and show me that it's staying inside the line. You can see it's, you know, that's as far over as it's going to get. We're looking good. Nice and gravy. Now that I have everything centered up and zeroed out and have checked everything 4 times, all I gotta do is hit play. So it does take a while to fish all the parts out of the bed here, but so I don't lose any of them, just like how I did there. I try and pull them up and then set them across the hole, because I have lost pieces in here and lost count on stuff to the point to where, like, I just cut another piece, and then of course I find it like right after I cut it. We got a long way to go. Now that I have everything cut and laid out back here, it's time to clean all of it. But that's going to take me a couple hours to do, and it's like 290 parts. It's late. I'm tired. That's a job for another day. This is the laboratory. I'm Zach Leber. We'll see you next time.